Once you power on the grill, pressing the button on the left side of the control panel, your touchscreen display will come on, and you'll see several different functions on the screen. The first thing you're going to want to do when you open the screen up is press the unlock button for 3 seconds, and it'll allow you to utilize the different functions on the screen. The grill has a smoke mode, a grill mode, and a sear mode. When you want to cook in smoke mode, the temperature on the grill is 300 or less. When you want to do grill mode, the temperature on the grill is 300 or more. So for this video, we're going to set the temperature to 350, and we're going to start the grill in grill mode. Once you're ready to start the grill, you press this green button. Once you start the grill, it'll turn into a flame. When that flame is on, that signifies that the igniter is on the grill. By default, the igniter will stay on for 300 seconds. So you'll hear the pellets fall for a few seconds, and then they'll stop falling until the igniter ignites the pellets and the flame will turn into a stop sign. Once that flame turns into a stop sign, you can continue to use the grill for as long as you need for your cook, and when you're ready to finish, you can press the stop sign button and the grill will go into cool down mode. Now, the important part of cool down mode is it'll burn off all the residual pellets in the burner pot, so the next time you go to start the grill, you don't have too many pellets that will cause the grill to overheat. Now, in addition to starting up on smoke mode and grill mode, you also have the sear mode function. And whenever you use the sear mode, you want to make sure you use the sear grate that comes included with your grill. Once you press the sear mode button, it will automatically start to ignite the grill. You can set it to high, medium, or low. Once the flame goes off and turns into a stop sign, the grill will be on the set temperature that you intended for the sear session, and you are able to cook your food and then press the stop button whenever it is complete. Now, in addition to starting up the grill, you have several other functions. There are lights. Once you press the button, the lights come on inside the grill, and when the button turns green, that signifies that the lights are on. To set the target temperature on the grill, you can press the white digits in the center and set the screen, the temp, to whatever you desire. You can also fine tune by pressing the yellow buttons to either side of the target temperature. The current temperature will tell you what the inside temperature is on the grill, and there's also a run time that will tell you how long the grill is in use. In addition to the run time, you do have a timer that you can set. And an audible alarm will come on when the timer runs out. There's also a settings button on the grill. The default passcode is 1234, and then these are the default settings that are going to be on your grill whenever you get started. The temperature is defaulted to Fahrenheit. The feeding time is 80 seconds. Startup time is 300 seconds, and there are additional settings as well. In addition to the main settings screen, you can press the blue wrench at the top, and that will allow you to test each of the functions individually. Feeding will turn the auger, ignition will turn the igniter on and off, lights will turn the lights on and off, and fan will start the fans. And you can press the red arrow button to exit. In addition to the functions on the grill, you do have 3 temp probes as well. There are 3 circles on the front of your grill, and once you plug in the temp probe, it will read the ambient temperature, and you can plug it into the meat or the food that you're cooking, and it will let you know the internal temperature as you're cooking on the grill. This has been a brief demonstration of the screen on your Coyote Pellet Grill. You can always contact Coyote customer service for any additional questions you may have on the use of the grill. Thank you.